Come on, buddy. Alright. So what do I do?
So, kind of things. Let's see if I can. Alright. So let's try to grow custom games. We can try.
How come I can't be on your team?
Try to. There we go.
Alright, do we get to pick our people now?
Uh, okay, and now we can head out. Trying to figure this out.
Dude, this guy said anyone want to team up for XP.
Traveling to the right. Prepare your defenses.
Should I pick my person?
Yeah.
Who's the easy person to try out?
They all have their own quirks. You can try a trade survey. Yeah.
Is this person easy to play or hard?
No, it's just fine.
One shot, one kill.
I would take
Wow,
my
that's from-
bow against your rifle.
That's
any
from,
That would be
first,
the last mistake you ever made.
If you hold down right click, zoom in, the longer you hold it, the more powerful your shot's going to be. But hold down right click, it zooms.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Talon could restore your family's empire.
Where are you at?
But at what cost?
That's the from the speed.
Man, someone peeing.
Five, four, three, two, one. Attackers incoming.
Enemy contact.
Stop the payload.
Patience.
How do I shoot again? Oh man, they're coming behind me. They're coming everywhere. How do I...
Lights out.
They all attacked me.
I'm talking about our bots aren't doing anything.
Let's try that again.
Alright, where are you at? I see Zahara. Or however you say that dude's name. But I don't see you. There's Shinobi right there. Why do they all creep up on me? Get out of here, creeper. Can I use other spells? Or is it just shooting? Good, people actually... Other bad people are actually dying. Gosh. Alright. Reaper? You're gonna die, Reaper. Get out of here, Reaper. Alright, Reaper's dead. Roadhog. I'm stunned. Dang it, Roadhog, get out of here. Do we have a healer on our team? Looks like it because I'm getting killed. Somehow.
Pass into the iris.
Maybe I shouldn't get so close to Roadhog because he freaking stuns me.
Art of deception.
Somebody's healing us.
Yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, the robot.
Who's the robot dude? Any heals?
Yeah.
What's his name? Oh, there he goes, Zenyatta. I'm getting attacked from behind here and I got killed. Gosh, piece of crap. Killed me.
Let's try that again.
Got a 25-player kill streak.
60 seconds remaining.
Is there a way you can look at your character or not?
Die. Experience tranquility. The dragon consume you.
Don't let Roadhog get close to you because he'll freaking stun you. That's what I noticed. Reaper, get out of here, Reaper. Get out of here, Reaper. Seriously. Dang it, what is up with this? Like, all these people come from behind me.
30 seconds remaining.
People keep killing me. What is this? Gosh. I don't need to see a replay of that crap. Gosh. I want to switch hero. What?
Victory.
Well, I don't know who I am, so.
Play of the game.
Alright, what are we doing now? Are we with other players? Then how come they're saying good game?
It could be bots.
Bots say good game?
Here, hit
Epic.
You honor me.
What?
Legendary.
Mastery is the
This card?
highest art.
Looks like it, they said good game. What do I do now? Leave game?
No, you can just keep it.
Well, I want to pick a new person to try.
Yeah, it's fine.
Prepare to attack.
Can I look at what they look like? There we go. Meh. I'll try Tracer and see how she plays.
Cheers, love.
Cool, she has 2 guns.
Wow. It's an honor to meet a member of the Shambali. Mondata was an inspiration to me.
Who are you?
I miss him greatly. A chance to focus. Hey.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
A disciplined mind is your most dependable ally.
Just like in training. Visualize, then execute.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Escort the
How do you know that you're healing? Roadhog, you're a piece of crap.
I know you can do better than that. I am moving the payload. Follow with me.
Are these players?
Damn it.
Oh man, I'm getting hit.
You got what's coming to you.
Must be moved to its
Get out of here, Reaper. Do you have any heals? Because I think I needed some. Thank you. What does that mean? I mean, I know what that is because I have priests and stuff. Even that.
tranquility. Gaze.
Oh. Then what was I stunned?
The payload moves.
Roadhog is a piece of crap, seriously. He like pulled me to him.
Everyone begins in ignorance.
What's that? Baston. You got Baston right there. Oh, I'm in the middle of everything. Not really. You mean StarCraft? Yeah. Or WoW. Because you have healers in that, but it's not first-person shooters though, because I can actually see my person. And I like that better. So there's no way that you can see your character. No, because in WoW, like when you hit the mouse back, you can see your person. You can play in first person too if you want, you know.
Experience tranquility.
I am moving the payload. Falling with me.
Where's my other abilities? Or do I only have shoot?
Time's up. Ever get that feeling, deja vu?
You have done well. The enemy is experience tranquility. Tactical visor activated.
You got what's coming to you, lad.
Get off of me, Roadhog. God.
Into the iris. Watch your back. I've got you in my sights.
Fire at will.
Experience tranquility. Reflect on his mind.
So you level up? How do you know? When you do? Oh. I died too. What?
We need to get the payload moving.
Seconds remaining.
Time grows short. Attack.
I'm going for the overtime.
Pass into the iris. Experience tranquility. Damn it.
Bombs away. You got what's coming to you then.
Mirror, get stabilized.
I'm moving the payload. Fall in with me.
Good guy. The Reaper's annoying. He's like, die, die, die. What's an ultimate?
Experience tranquility.
Okay. Mine is just throwing a bomb. Get your head in your bed.
Overtime.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, my face. I died, but I'm back. I'm shooting crap now. Oh, I'm stunned.
The payload is approaching its destination.
Fire at will. Bomb away.
Excuse me.
Tactical visor activated.
I'm on fire. Really?
I've got you in my sights.
This is really fair. You're getting attacked from all sides here.
Damn it.
Coming to you.
Pass into the iris.
Why are we here?
The payload Experience tranquility.
Oh, my computer just quit.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me see if it's still glitching. I don't want to play it again, guys.
What? They won't even let me escape out of it. What can I do? Huh?
I don't know. Let me see. Let me hit regain. Okay. Yeah, it knocked you out. So, I'm probably going to either control alt delete or restart the computer.
Either what?
Control alt delete.
Okay, I did that, and it's just black screen.